Jamaica, land of vibrant culture, stunning beaches, and rum? Yes, you heard me right. Jamaican rum isn't just a drink, it's an experience, a tradition, and some might say the ultimate problem solver. Let's dive into the magic of Jamaican rum and discover its many uses. First off, let's talk about those everyday aches and pains. Got sore muscles? Just rub a bit of rum on them and you'll feel relief in no time. It's like a mini spa treatment, Jamaican style. Got an insect bite? Dab some rum on it and that itch will vanish quicker than you can say Ray and Nephew. Speaking of which, Ray and Nephew is one of the most beloved rum brands here. Known for its potent white rum, it's a household staple. But that's not all. Got a toothache? Swish a bit of rum around your mouth and it'll numb the pain. Jamaican grandmothers swear by this remedy. Now let's get a bit more personal. Just broke up with your girlfriend. Or maybe you're having stress with your wife. Pour yourself a small glass of Appleton Estate. This rum, with its smooth and rich flavour, has been helping Jamaicans cope with heartache and stress for generations. It's more than just a drink, it's a companion. Now let's take a quick trip back in time. The history of rum production in Jamaica dates back to the 17th century when sugarcane plantations were thriving. The byproduct of sugarcane, molasses, was distilled to create rum. Over the centuries, Jamaican rum has become world-renowned for its quality and flavour. It plays a significant role in Caribbean culture, not just as a drink, but as a symbol of resilience and creativity. Rum has woven itself into the fabric of Jamaican life. From celebrations to remedies, it's a versatile spirit that embodies the island's spirit. So next time you're in Jamaica, don't just think of rum as a cocktail ingredient. Think of it as a multi-purpose elixir that brings comfort, relief, and a touch of magic to everyday life. Remember though, always drink responsibly. Rum may solve many problems, but it's important to enjoy it in moderation. Thanks for joining me on this flavorful journey through the wonders of Jamaican rum. Until next time, keep the island spirit alive and well wherever you are. Cheers!